What's going on, guys? David here again. I got a pretty exciting video to share with you all today. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button if you don't mind. On this channel, we're going to talk about tech, smart home stuff, gaming. You know, the Xbox and PS5 are coming out this year, and other gaming type stuff, modern retro. As you can tell if you look through some of my stuff, arcade and retro stuff too. But today, pretty exciting. So this actually used to be my daughter's bedroom, and we've actually flipped her into the bigger room. The bigger room used to be basically a playroom and my office, and it was too cluttered. I couldn't shoot anything in there. Plus, we knew as she was getting older, we were going to transition her into that room. So pretty excited. Went ahead and did it this weekend. Just ripped the Band-Aid. Right now it's very minimal, and that's kind of why I wanted to do this video, because I wanted to share with y'all as we add more stuff to this room. Right now there's no wall decor or anything on the walls. There's no soundproofing, so I'm sorry if it's kind of echoey today. We're going to get that fixed soon. The lighting's not that great. I'm having to use an overhead light, you know, a little desk lamp, and outside to kind of get this room lit up for this video. And hopefully all that's going to be changing. We've already got I've got a bunch of RGB lights from Govee and stuff ready to bring in, get under the desk. Some lamps and some Govee smart lights to go with that. I have some wall decor, just haven't put it up yet because I wanted to shoot this video first before we did really anything to this room outside of the basic desk setup we got here. And that's kind of, I guess, where I'm going to start talking about that. So let's get right over here, get closer to it, and check it out. Alright, so here we are at the desk setup. Running pretty much a simple Dell Inspiron. It's the i7 core processor. I believe it's a dual core setup or a quad core. I can't remember which one I got, but it's at least one of those two. Great little computer, great for a home office, and do anything basically like what I've been doing, working in spreadsheets, running a small business. Obviously email, all the basic stuff. If you want a hardcore gaming system, this is not it, and this is definitely pushing me to possibly look into building a computer next year. Got a couple friends who are really good at it, and at the price point this thing is, I noticed where when I start running my DaVinci Resolve to edit videos, if I've got the internet open and stuff, it definitely freezes up, or I'll lose Resolve, and everything else will run fine, but Resolve does have a time, sometimes messes up when I'm working on here with a lot of other things going. Of course, Resolve is the editing software for videos and stuff, if you're not sure what that is. But anyway, it's a great computer otherwise. I mean, it does everything I need it to do. It still does editing videos. I just have to make sure and, you know, save everything as I go, all that good stuff. But anyway, of course, all the monitors go off now. Two Dell monitors. Absolutely love them. They're both, I believe, the 23.9 inches. So can see everything, having to, you know about monitors, they're great. Logitech speakers, these things were like 30 bucks. I bought a couple years ago. Well, actually longer than a couple years ago. I probably had these 6, 7, 8 years. For the price point, I think they were like 30 bucks. I think you can still get them on Amazon. If you can, I'll link them down below. Great speakers, absolutely love them. If you just need some basic good speakers, they're loud. It comes with a little sub, not a whole lot of thump, obviously, especially at the $30 price point. But definitely does what I need it to do. I don't need it to be crazy in here or anything. I never have. Maybe I'll upgrade now that I actually have a studio office thing. But until then, these work great. Check them out. As we get over here, I don't know how well y'all are going to be able to see it, but I got a PicTech keyboard and mouse. So it's $30 on Amazon. I'll definitely link these down below. Great keyboard. I actually really love it. Nice and clicky. Does what I need it to do. I don't know if you can catch, I don't know if the camera's catching the lights on these, but they light up really cool. They look great, especially in the dark. RGB, all that good stuff. I got the Razer mouse pad. I actually got a Razer mouse too, and I really like it. Wife's deathly afraid of snakes, so she won't use it. That's why we've got the PicTech out here. But of course, it's RGB and stuff too. At night, lights up really well. Really like the way it looks, and it functions very well. Of course, they're a gaming keyboard. I'm not a hardcore gamer, as you can obviously probably tell by the computer and stuff. So I think this stuff just looks cool, and it does what I need to do with this. Maybe we'll get some more games. I'll be getting the Xbox, so I'll probably be on Xbox, Game Pass, and I think you get that for the PC too, so maybe I'm going to have to upgrade and check everything out for that. let's keep it going. Over here, of course, so we have another desk set up here. Now this desk is more going to be for me doing reviews on products that I need a place to place them. So I can pull the desk out this way, put the camera over here, and I've got basically a key light right now being the window, add some more lights as I need them, pull it this way, stand up, show y'all everything you know that you could possibly want to know about whatever product I'm reviewing. And it'd be really nice if I could leave it out and leave the camera set up so I don't have to keep moving everything around. But that's what this will be, a functional table. Move out, do a review, you know, go ahead and put it up here and get it all set up so that y'all get the information out that y'all need. Really love that I'm going to have this now. Instead of having to use my kitchen and the granite countertops and stuff, I can just do it in here and then set it up and leave it if I need to. If I need to go do something else, pick my daughter up from school or whatever, it's not like I have to clean everything up, reset it all up, get all the lighting perfect. It should just be done here. Pump more videos out faster and better quality. And again, guys, I'm sorry if there's any kind of echo in here. Haven't set anything up yet, so you know that story. So anyway, over here, what we've got my a little couch. That's actually a futon, so if we have friends over, family over, they have a place that they can sleep and stuff. It's not the most comfortable thing, but it'll get the job done. But it also gives me another place to kind of chill out. If I just want to have like a conversational talk about something, you know, with Arcade 1-Up or Xbox or whatever, just to be able to talk with you about some things going on or get y'all's opinions, and just put some news out there if I need to, or review anything small or something I need to review. I can just do it quickly there if I don't want to move the table. Just gives me another little space to work. Or if the wife, like last night I worked on the computer, the wife was sitting there playing on her phone, and I was able to do some stuff on the computer. It's a nice little hangout. Also, the wall, hopefully going to add a TV up there. Some more wall decor and all that good stuff. So I can sit in here maybe if I need to take a break from editing or anything, pop up, look at some scores for football. If I got the Xbox Series X in here, go ahead and hit a few games or whatever. Y'all are going to be here with me watching it, so it'd be cool to see, get y'all's opinions. So I've got a closet over here right now. It's full of my daughter's clothes. We got to get that moved over to her room. And then I'll have a space to be able to really hide some stuff or anything I just don't want out here. I'll have a place to put it. So that'll be pretty awesome. But anyway, I just want to shoot this video real quick, get it out there, even just for my records if y'all don't care for it or whatever. But you'll be able to see I wanted to shoot a very bare bones setup of the house. Oh, and I did want to show this, I guess. This is the first time I've really paid attention to cable management, at least under the desk. I know up here it's a little janky, doesn't look the best, but down here, clean, most of it's gone. There's a little plug over here, but I plan on putting some more stuff around, hide all that. Absolutely love the cable management a lot better back here. Maybe in another video I'll show y'all how I did that more. But anyway, just really excited about the room. Like I said, I've got some wall decor stuff to get up. Just wanted a bare bones visual for y'all to see where this office will go. See me build it. Y'all are going to be here with me. Throw some ideas down in the comments. If you stay, especially if you stay this long, things you'd like to see or ideas that you've seen are pretty cool. Or if you've got your own desk set up, shoot me a link to your video and I'd love to see it. But yeah, I'm excited about it. Gonna definitely bring some more out and definitely catch y'all maybe in a month or so. Got a lot of stuff already ordered from Amazon, ready to get it in, get it set up. When I do, I'll put another video out. You'll probably actually see the decor or whatever, the RGB lights and stuff installed and done on videos before I get around to actually, you know, reviewing and going through it again, because there's a lot of things to talk about coming up. So hey, click that subscribe button if this is stuff you're into. Like I said, drop me a comment on ideas you have or things you've done in your office or whatever, and we'll catch y'all in the next one. Out.